In this lesson, I'll give you an overview of our chapter on data storage, including SQLite databases. On the Storage Options page of the developer's website, shown here, 5 options for data storage are listed: shared preferences, internal storage, external storage, SQLite databases, and network connection. Which option you choose depends on your specific needs, such as whether the data should be private to your application or accessible to other applications, how much space your data requires, and the level of complexity of your data structure. In the lessons of this chapter, we'll look at the code to implement the first 4 of these options. Network connections will be addressed in a separate chapter on connectivity and remote access. We've already looked at preferences in our lessons on settings and preferences. Preferences can be used to save and retrieve key-value pairs of primitive data types such as strings and integers. You wouldn't want to use preferences for large or complex data structures, but it's a convenient and easy way to handle smaller, simpler collections of data. Internal storage refers to files saved directly on the device's built-in memory. By default, files saved to internal storage are private to your application and can't be accessed by other applications. When the user uninstalls your application, these files are removed. External storage refers to removable storage media like an SD card. Files saved to external storage are usable by other apps, and they can be modified by the user when the user uses a USB link to transfer files onto a computer. Database refers to SQLite databases, and these are used for data structured in a table-like format where you have different fields for each entry, and you want to add, change, or retrieve data based on field values. Databases can be accessed from within your application, but not from outside it. The network connection option refers to accessing data on the internet that's usually stored on a server. And this might be anything from small sets of data to huge databases. And as I said, we'll cover using networks in another chapter. That's our overview of the data storage chapter. Well, let's move on to the next lesson and look at some code.